press buttons till her phone began to ring. She takes it to the bathroom, that's when I start wondering. I can hear her voices whispering, but still it's clear. She's lying through her teeth, pretending she ain't even here. Last time that I checked, my name wasn't Sarah, so she must be telling her man that she's at her girlfriend's home. That's when it got scary. She said, babe, I love you too. Now go to sleep or else you won't wake up in time for school.
Black and Beats vibes.
Your Bluetooth-controlled robot is now done. But that's not everything.